Feedback's an interesting thing, isn't it? Feedback is like getting advice from someone or getting their opinion. Now, there's some sorts of feedback that we quite like, and actually you probably quite like it too. Here's one. When the coach says to you, "That was an awesome kick, well done." Or when you walk into school and you've had that haircut and all your friends go, "That's an amazing haircut." And there are some times when actually you don't get particularly good feedback. You walk into music lesson and the music teacher says, "I can tell that you have not been practicing this week." That's not good feedback. Writing, we also give feedback. And I want you to think of it like this. People don't want lots and lots and lots of feedback. They just need enough. So use my double 2 rule. Tell someone 2 things they do really well and 2 things they might improve next time. What might you say? Well, here's a helpful list. When we think of writing, you can say lots of things about writing. You could say to someone their writing is very concise. Concise writing is writing that doesn't waste words. You can say to someone their writing is very precise. Precise writing is writing that uses lots of really good facts and figures and information. You can say their writing is very fluent. A fluent person is somebody who's using a range of sentence styles. We love that. And you can say writing is very focused, which means the person has written and stayed exactly on the topic they were discussing. They never went off topic and wandered into the desert and round the corner and over the bridge. They never did that. They stayed focused. You can say writing's very logical. Science is quite logical. Everything follows step by step by step. That's logical writing. You can also say that writing's very accurate. And accurate means they haven't made all sorts of spelling mistakes or any of those sorts of errors that get in the way and really trip you up. Finally, and here's my favorite, you can say that writing's very clear, which means that writing's easy to understand, because clarity is always the greatest goal of the writer.